Today's special onion pakoda. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Saviruchi by Savi. Today I am going to prepare onion pakoda. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. To prepare onion pakoda, I have taken 3 big sized onion, long chopped, 10 cashews, 4 green chillies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, 1 cup gram flour, 3/4 cup rice flour, little baking soda, little ajwain, salt to taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee because it gives more crispy when we add ghee, and rice flour also gives more crispiness. Mix everything well. When you're mixing, just press it more and mix everything well like this. Add little water. Mix it well. Look at here, consistency should be like this. Now I will deep fry in the oil. Oil is heated. I'm going to leave the pakoda. Deep fry the pakoda till turns golden brown color. You can see it is turning to golden brown color. Now you can see onion pakoda is ready. Now I will take out in a plate. Now you can see hot onion pakoda is ready to serve. You can have this with evening snacks with tea or coffee. Thanks for watching my channel.